Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how you can update your Visual Studio Code to the latest version on macOS. So in my case I had this issue that I wanted to install some extension and I got an error which says it cannot be installed because it's not compatible with my version. This is my current version. Now to update this there are probably more ways. So the first one is you can click on this gear icon in the bottom left corner of your Visual Studio Code, and here you can see I have this option check for updates. So this is the first way how you can update it. I'm going to click on check for updates, and now you can see here at the top it's downloading something, and after this is finished it's going to show you this green button which says update. So you need to click on this and it will restart your Visual Studio Code. So now once this opens again, it should be already with the new version. As you can see here, you can see some release notes here, and you want to sign in again. And once you are signed, you are ready to use the newer version. So we can try to install extension right now. And now you can see it's working because we have our vscode updated. In case if this is not working, like you have this button here, but it's not working to update, you can try one really simple trick I'm gonna show you. So you want to open this Finder on your macOS, and basically you want to go to Applications, and you want to find Visual Studio Code, and while holding Command option or Command key on your Mac, you want to drag this into the downloads. After that, just drag it again back to your applications. Now you can open it or restart it, and you can try it again, check for the updates. Another way how you can update your Visual Studio Code is by manually downloading the latest version. So you want to go to the vscode website and you want to click on download for macOS, and this is going to download the latest installer. And if you install it, it will just overwrite the current version, so everything will stay as it was, like all of your settings and everything. It will just update to the newer version of the Visual Studio Code. And that's it. So this is how you can update your Visual Studio Code. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.